Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by booting from the Windows XP CD or entering the recovery console. This gives access to system repair tools. Once done, identify the Windows drive letter and confirm you have the original i386 files or matching CD that's needed for file restoration. Make sure to write down the product key and close other tasks. Now insert the XP disk, press a key to boot. Then choose Repair using the recovery console, or use the CD to run System File Checker. You run System File Checker with off-bootdir and off-windir parameters if running from external media. This forces repair of corrupted system files using the i386 source. If SFC reports missing or unreadable files, switch to manual replacement. Use Expand to extract DLL or sys from the i386 folder into the Windows \system32 folder. Before copying, run chkdsk/r to repair bad sectors. That prevents failures during file write. Make sure file ownership and attributes are correct after replacement. You finish by rebooting and testing in safe mode to verify system services, start cleanly. Then run SFC again to catch lingering issues. If the machine still will not boot, use last known good configuration or recovery console to restore registry hives from the repair folder. This often fixes startup failures caused by corrupted registries. If problems persist, perform a repair install or restore from a verified backup. Troubleshooting tip: if SFC cannot access source files, confirm the CD driver letter and retry with correct off-windir/off-bootdir parameters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.